All right, so I'm going to show you a couple different views for the kickstand hip hinge. The number one thing to me is that your knee starts and finishes in the same spot. Okay, so my knee is right over my midfoot, give or take. I start there, and when I come up to finish in this position, it still is there. So as I hinge back, I don't have my knee go back with it. I keep my knee, boom, directly over the midfoot. So I'm going to use this hand to feel like I hinge and push my hip back, and I'm doing that all with keeping my knee right in the starting position. If I get in this bottom position, let's say I do some reps, and I feel like, oh, I kind of feel it, but not really. Try to push this, this kickstand knee forward without having the knee go back. So this again is staying right in that position, and then when you come up, I finish right over the top of the midfoot and not finishing like over my heel like this. I finish like that. So a side view. So I'm completely on the right leg, hands here. So I push the hip back. And definitely when you start doing it, you'll feel like a lot of your weight's on the balls of your feet. Just try to find that heel. Hold that position if you want to. Make sure this knee, if you want to feel more of a stretch, just push this knee forward and just breathe. And so I breathe in, and when I breath out, I should feel like this is trying to relax and get into the hip. And then on the way up, I still stay forward, okay? So I'm gonna do a couple reps. So knee over the midfoot, push the hip back. Come back forward, okay? Push the knee back. And come back forward. I feel like I'm getting a little bit too much forefoot. I'm gonna bring this foot back a little bit. And I know this is kind of my bad hip, so it's a little bit more difficult to get into this hip. And come back up. So if you're doing it right, you should feel a good amount of release in that back hip.